Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a spa jacuzzi and your controls are made by Joyonway, and the Joyonway control is showing you an F4 error, and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So on certain of the Joyonway displays, it will have the F4 error followed by an explanation of what it is, but if yours doesn't, it just has the F4. The F4 error is that the temperature sensor is sensing that the temperature of the water is too low. And so this will happen if the temperature of the water is so low that it cannot sufficiently heat it with the power that it has. And so the number one reason that you're going to get this is kind of almost self-explanatory. If you're trying to use this jacuzzi in a situation where it is very, very cold outside, or maybe the water source, the water coming in, is just super cold, you can get this error. And what you're going to need to do is just figure out a way to get the water coming in to be warmer as it comes in. And this is also warning you, you might end up with some frost or freezing issues that could damage your jacuzzi.